Beautiful Namaste, yogis. Here we are in the Prevost parking lot in Mira Loma. We're replacing the windshield of our bus. When we're out here on tour, I'm telling you, anything can happen. And I've learned a lot of things, and I've learned a lot of things about buses, which is sort of amazing. One of the things I've learned about our bus is we drive what is called a star coach, meaning that there's a master bedroom in the back, very little bunks, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, big seating area. To this end, we're going to practice a little star-shaped yoga. So let's start facing the long edge of your mat. Widen your legs and your feet, wider than hip width apart. Star pose, inhale the arms up and over your head to get yourself some length. And then exhale, find the hands that come down, creating a 5-point star here. Spread your fingers wide, press down through your feet, feel the inner and outer edges of your feet, your heels, and the balls of your toes. Breathe in and breathe out. From here, you'll bring your hands to your hips. Pick up the right toes, spin them towards the short edge of your mat. Bend the right knee, sink in to warrior 2 legs. Widen your stance as appropriate, and then re-stretch your arms out in alignment with a heart that's balanced and stable. Big breath in. Big breath out. Right elbow, top of right thigh. Spin the left palm over the crown of your head and reach an extended left arm up and over your head, pressing down through the outer edge of your left heel, tailbone down towards your left heel. Feel the whole of your right foot onto the earth, and you might spin the heart up to the sky, looking up at the sky. Breathe in and breathe out. A little bit of navel to the spine will increase your capacity for strength, and then bring yourself back up to standing. Straighten out the right leg, spin the right toes, then spin the left toes out, bend the left knee. Let's sink it into warrior 2 on this side. And you might, extend the legs out to where it feels nice and solid and comfortable. Give yourself a solid base here to support a heart opened front and back and centered and right and left and top and bottom. Stable in the heart. Good, let's find some breathing room on that right side. Left elbow, top of left thigh, spin the palm open. And then extend the right arm up and over your head and feel that nice long line from the outer edge of your right foot all the way into the right fingers. You might open the heart to the sky and sending the gaze up. Soften the neck, soften the breath, and soften the eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Great. Back to Vira 2, straighten the left leg. Back to star pose. Big breath in and big breath out. We're gonna find a deeper twist, just like the story can twist when you break your windshield. Inhale, you're gonna spin your way all the way to a extended lunge twist to the right, left elbow, top of right thigh, high up onto the left toes, lift the left thigh, hands to prayer at the heart center, open. Inhale, back to center star. Exhale, open and twist it to the right. And back to center to star. Inhale, twist it open to the right. And back to center. Exhale, twist to the left. And center. Exhale, hands find their way home to the heart. Walk your feet in, finding Tadasana pose with the hands at the heart center. Chin to the chest, gaze at the heart. Smooth inhale, smooth exhale. And feel that illuminating energy within. Namaste, yogis. And may your road be a smooth one.